Hi friend, in this video I will describe about how to trade using this Bank Nifty jackpot trading strategy Excel sheet where you can find the trade opportunity one day before. So if you enter the data here in this Excel sheet, then you will supposed to get the trade recommendations for tomorrow. If there is any big opportunity, then this Excel sheet will indicate you so how to do it, I will demonstrate you. It's very easy. You have to enter the high and low data, couple of data here. First 15-minute high low data and second 15-minute last 15-minute high low data, and the daily's high low data here. Once you will enter this data for the day, if there is a jackpot opportunity next day, then you will find a yes over here. I will demonstrate you how to operate this, but before that I also quickly want to show you the performance of this Excel sheet. Today there was a very good profit of 500 point, 515 point. I will show you exactly what, but before that, at a glance, if we check the performance so far, this performance is for the entire 2020 January till date. We had 22 trade based on this Excel sheet. Among this, them 12 was profitable, 10 was losing. Total point gain was 6,442. Average risk profit was 500 point, and average loss is 145 point. So there is almost 3.69. Risk reward ratio is very high. And now let's show you how to operate this Excel sheet. So basically, after market close, say after yesterday's market close, we have to enter the data in this Excel sheet. So as it says, enter daily high and low. So what was the daily's high yesterday? The daily's high was in this candle yesterday. This is a 15-minute candlestick chart, and the high of yesterday was 19741. 19741.20. And what was the low was this candle. In this candle the low was low for the day, so the low was 19307.55. I entered this data. Now I have to enter the first and the last candle high and low yesterday. So whole idea is that after entering this data, if I get yes, then what I have to do is that I have to trade on a break of first 15-minute candle in next day. So if today I find a jackpot opportunity, next day I have to trade on a break of the first 15-minute candle high. And where will be my exit? My exit will be at 3 p.m. And what will be my stop loss? Stop loss will be obviously the opposite side of the first 15-minute candle. If the first 15-minute candle breaks downside, then we will go short like today. This is the first 15-minute candle. It's break downside, so we go short, and this high will be our stop loss. Our exit will be at 3 p.m. Let's see what happened yesterday's data. So the high of the yesterday's first 15-minute candle was 19637.10, and the low of the first 15-minute candle yesterday was 19307.55. I entered this data. Now I will enter the last candle data, the high low. So once you will enter, if there is a jackpot opportunity next day, then you will find a yes in this yellow stripe, either this or that. Let's see what's happened. So the high of the last 15-minute candle yesterday was 19,559.60. Okay, and the low was 19,479.50. As I enter the all data, as you can see, it is showing yes, tomorrow is jackpot day. So what it means, as I mentioned already, that if it says tomorrow is the jackpot day, then next day it is your trading plan. The trading plan is very simple. Next day you have to enter on a break of the first 15-minute candle. So as you can see, I have entered the 7th of the May data. It was yesterday. It shows yes, tomorrow is jackpot day. Probably you do this 2 minutes of calculation based on this Excel sheet at the end of the market to find whether next day you have a trade or not. So almost one day before you are already prepared for the trade. So now today we have this 15 minute. So we sold below this level. Our entry level was 19764. So yes, the entry was 19840. So somehow 19750. Sorry, this should be 19750. That is 420.19750, and the exit will be at the close of this, that is 19325 kind of level. So it is 420 point. So I made little bit mistake here, but okay, today there was a 420 point profit, not 500. And as I mentioned that almost 4,898 point has been delivered so far using this Excel sheet. So thank you so much for your time. I expect that this will be a profitable part of your trading strategy. And you can check all the data. You can backtest it by your own. I can give you the track sheet, but you can backtest it by your own, and you can see every trade. You can check every trade. This is the beauty of these types of trading. You can check all this trade, and you can gain your trust before you start trading based on this. So almost 400 point gain was today. I thank you for your time, and I also want that you take good care of yourself during this uncertain time. So until next time, thank you so much for your time. Bye.